Hello everyone, you're highly welcome back to Queen Varieties channel. So in today's episode I will share the rice recipe with you. This is highly a budget friendly sauce. What we have going on here is fish sauce or fish stew. In 30 minutes or in less than 30 minutes we are completely done with this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share my video with your friends and loved ones. Also remember to turn on your bell notifications so that you will get instant prompts each time I upload any new video. Thank you. Alright, so for this sauce you will need all the items on my work surface: some paprika, ginger, tomatoes, onions, some spring onions, and fresh rosemary. If you have basil and garlic, you can also add that. Okay, so what we are going to do is to coarsely blend everything and then transfer it into a preheated pot. Here you're going to cook it for exactly 15 good minutes until it is completely dried without any liquid. For my fish, I will be using some tilapia. Use any fish of your choice. I'm going to apply all-purpose seasoning into it. This contains salt. I will drizzle a little bit of oil and then shake everything. Allow that to marinate until the time that we will need it. Okay, yes, so just allow it to sit there until the time we will add it into the stew. You can also fry it if you want, or fry or even grill it. Okay, so 15 minutes later the sauce now is completely dried. As you can see, what we are going to do now is to add some oil. Next I will also break in a pair of nut cube inside the sauce, include some curry powder and garlic powder. If you're using fresh garlic, skip the garlic powder. I will also add some thyme and paprika. Mix everything to combine. If you want to include more spices, please feel free to do whatever you want. I will cover that for extra 5 minutes. This is an opportunity for you to subscribe just in case you have forgotten to hit that bell. Okay. Alright, so 5 minutes later you can see the appearance of the sauce has changed. Now it looks like, more like a sauce, and then it's almost ready, trust me. So what we are going to do now is to include the fish. For me, I'm going to include my fish fresh. Like I said, you can grill, fry, or do whatever to yours. I will also include some salt and all-purpose seasoning to it. Mix everything to combine. At this point you have to be very careful. Fish is not fried, so it can disintegrate, so you have to be very careful. Use the sides of the pot to stir. Okay, yeah, so after you have mixed everything perfectly, you're going to cover this pot and allow this to cook down on the lowest heat for at least 10 to 12 or 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes later, you can see that the sauce is completely ready. The oil you're seeing on the surface of that stew is a clear indication that this sauce is perfectly fried. Guys, the aroma of this sauce is so nice, and the distinctive flavor is absolutely incredible. Few ingredients, absolute outcome. I'm going to include some bell peppers of green and red, and also some spring onions. Mix everything to combine. You're just going to serve. Everything is ready. You don't have to do anything more. I want the peppers to be as crunchy as possible, so you don't want to overcook it. If you want to cook it further, you can just cover it for maybe 2 minutes, but then mine is completely ready. I want to eat the peppers as raw as possible. Alright, so friends, here we are going to serve. The rice has been boiled perfectly, and guys, this is the fish on top of the rice. This menu or this recipe was incredibly delicious. Very simple to put together. You will love the outcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Subscribe, like, share this video with your friends and loved ones. Until I come your way next time, God bless you. Bye for now. Thank you.